Namaste. I'm Rosalie and welcome to this 2-minute meditation you can do anywhere and anytime. Find a comfortable position and allow your eyes to blink closed. Now take a big inhale and sigh it out. And again. One more. And as you exhale, let go of any sense of rushing or busyness or needing to be anywhere else. The whole of you completely here, slowing down. With every exhale, soften and release any tension from your forehead, your eyes, your jaw, and your shoulders, completely relaxed. And settle into this space of calm and ease for a few breaths. It's time now to come fully back into your body, feeling completely relaxed, serene, and ready for whatever lies ahead. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Once again, my name is Rosalie and I release a new video every week. I do short meditations, yoga nidras, and yoga for beginners. So if you like this video, I'd be grateful if you consider subscribing to my channel. And please come back to this practice anytime you need a short, powerful reset. Have a wonderful day. Namaste.